Corsair in the near lane, Engberg in the far lane. Engberg wins 14:18, 97.09 to 14:24, 99.55. In the near lane, Barry Poole, 69 Cougar Eliminator, 428 CJ 4-speed. In the far lane, Dennis Sachs in a 69 Chevelle, 396 350 automatic. The name Barry Poole and Cobra Jet are intertwined in championship superstock racing. A little later, we'll talk with Barry. Poole gets the win, 13:37, 102.38 to 14:84, 90.63. In the near lane, Tom Kelly, 68 Roadrunner, HEMI automatic. In the far lane, Linda Jacobs, 70 Grand Sport, Stage 1 automatic. Kelly wins 13:25, 105.01 to 14:31, 95.94. In the near lane, Harry Patterson, 70 Charger, 444 speed. In the far lane, Paul Suloff, 69 Roadrunner, HEMI automatic. Wow, what a hole shot. Suloff wins 13:95, 79.50 to 14:10, 97.19. In the near lane, Richard Bogan, 70 GTO Ram Air 3 4-speed. In the far lane, Joe O'Leary, 70 Chevelle LS5 4-speed. O'Leary gets there first, 13:37, 100.45 to 15:55, 91.37. In the near lane, Pat Krieger, 70 Cyclone Spoiler, 429 SCJ automatic. In the far lane, John Chamberlain, 70 Grand Sport, Stage 1 automatic. Chamberlain wins 13:70, 98.04 to 14:66, 92.40. In the near lane, Dave Hampton, 68 Shelby, 427 automatic. In the far lane, Dave Phillips, 66 Chevy, 427 4-door 4-speed. Phillips wins 13:06, 103.80 to 13:82, 98.68. In the near lane, John Cherry, 68 Charger, HEMI 4-speed. In the far lane, Rich Teresi, 70 Grand Sport, Stage 1 automatic. Cherry wins 13:71, 99.55 to 13:91, 98.90. In the near lane, Jim Mino, 68 Firebird, Ram Air 2 4-speed. In the far lane, John Slickaver, 69 Shelby, 428 CJ automatic. Mino in the near lane, Slickaver in the far lane. And Slickaver gets a good hole shot. But Mino reels him in on top end, 1261, 109.09 to 1295, 105.01. In the near lane, Jack Schnitzer, 63 Dodge, 426 Max Wedge automatic. In the far lane, Lawrence Conley, 70 GSX, Stage 1 automatic. Conley wins 13:16, 101.69 to 13:60, 101.46 miles per hour. In the near lane, Dom Morrow, 69 Grand Sport, 400 automatic. In the far lane, Ralph Carr, 62 Chevy, 409 4-speed. Morrow wins 1487, 91.46 to 1576, 88.49 miles per hour. In the near lane, Joel Cox in a 69 Daytona 440 automatic. In the far lane, Dan Jensen, 71 Pontiac T37 455 automatic. Jensen gets there first, 1324, 103.09 to 1483, 91.74. In the near lane, Mike Banasek, 69 Grand Prix 428 HO 4-speed. In the far lane, Bill Wills in a 70 Grand Sport Stage 1 automatic. Wills takes the win, 1361, 99.56 to 1571, 90.54. In the near lane, here is Barry Poole, 69 Cougar 428 4-speed. And in the far lane, here's Jim Mino, 68 Firebird Ram Air 2 4-speed. Mino wins 1247, 109.49 to 1314, 105.50. In the near lane, John Cherry, 68 Charger HEMI 4-speed. In the far lane, Tom Kelly, 68 Roadrunner HEMI automatic. Kelly gets the win, 1315, 105.63 to 1364, 100.33 miles per hour. In the near lane, Steve Engberg, 70 Torino 429 SCJ 4-speed. In the far lane, John Chamberlain, 70 Grand Sport Stage 1 automatic. Chamberlain wins 1348, 99.01 to 1415, 96.87. In the near lane, Paul Suloff, 69 Roadrunner HEMI automatic. In the far lane, Joe O'Leary, 70 Chevelle LS5 4-speed. Suloff wins 1316, 105.38 to 1372, 95.33. In the near lane, Bob Karakashian, 69 Super B 6-pack automatic. In the far lane, Lawrence Conley, 70 GSX Stage 1 automatic. Karakashian wins 1293, 104.16 to 1313, 101.92. In the near lane, Dan Jensen, 71 Pontiac T37 455 automatic. In the far lane, Dave Phillips, 66 Chevy 427 4-door 4-speed. And apparently Phillips braked something. Jensen goes through 1325, 103.44. In the near lane, Dom Morrow, 69 Grand Sport 400 automatic. In the far lane, Bill Wills in his 70 Grand Sport Stage 1 automatic. Wills gets there first, 1361, 100.33 to 1474, 91.55. In the near lane, Johnny Catalis in a 73 Trans Am 455 Super Duty automatic. In the far lane, John Shellhorn, 68 Roadrunner 383 automatic. Catalis takes the win, 1426, 97.93 to 1479, 92.30. In the near lane, Joe Chulik, 79 Trans Am 403 automatic. In the far lane, Ed Meyer in a 68 Shelby Mustang 428 SCJ automatic. Meyer gets there first, 1431, 97.09 to 1591, 86.20. In the near lane, Mike McCarty in his 65 Catalina 421 Tri-Power Automatic. In the far lane, Paul Wolonsky's 69 GTX 440 Automatic. Mike's Catalina really launches hard. These big Pontiacs have excellent weight distribution. McCarty gets the win, 1444, 95.74 to 1499, 91 miles an hour flat. In the near lane, Laverne Eberst, 67 GTX Street Hemi. In the far lane, John Caravos, 67 Chevelle 396, 375 Automatic. Eberst wins, 1421, 97.40 to 1486, 92.98. In the near lane, Tim Winnie, 69 Charger 440 4-barrel automatic. In the far lane, Penny wins, 72 Roadrunner 440 automatic. Winnie gets the win, 1490, 94.33 to 1543, 88.93. In the near lane, Leonard Greco's 69 Super B 440 6-pack 4-speed. In the far lane, Gary Lamb's 71 Corvette LS5 454 automatic. Lamb takes the win, 1402, 85.22 to 1474, 96.35. In the near lane, Ron Godosian, 73 Firebird Formula 455 automatic. In the far lane, Dave Noggle, 69 Torino Talladega 428 CJ automatic. A pair of very rare machines. Less than 50 Formula 455 Firebirds were made, and the NASCAR Torinos are even rarer. Noggles Aero Torino wins, 1478, 93.84 to 1481, 95.84. In the near lane, Bill wins, 68 GTX 440 automatic. In the far lane, Gary Lamb, 71 Corvette LS5 454 automatic. Lamb takes the win, 1404, 77.78 to 1473, 94.24. In the near lane, Dan Jensen, 71 GTO 455 HO automatic. In the far lane, Bill Bartels, 69 Torino Cobra 428 SCJ automatic. Jensen gets the win, 1410, 98.25 to 1469, 96.67. In the near lane, Tim Winnie, 69 Charger 440 automatic. In the far lane, Denny Jensen, 70 Judge Ram Air 4 automatic. Last year, Denny took one of our ET camera people for a hairy ride down the Quaker City quarter. We never got to thank him properly, so Denny, thanks a bunch. And don't worry about Joel's whiplash, it cleared up a couple of weeks later. Denny gets there first, 1441, 98.03 to 1480, 94.83. In the near lane, Paul Glasgow's 66 GTO 389 Tri-Power 4-speed. In the far lane, Dave Noggle, 69 Torino Talladega 428 CJ automatic. Noggle wins, 1480, 94.34 to 15 flat, 93.55. In the near lane, Mike McCarty, 65 Catalina 421 Tri-Power automatic. In the far lane, Ed Myers, 68 Shelby 428 SCJ automatic. Meyer gets there first, 1414, 97.19 to 1447, 95.03. In In the near lane, Dan Jensen, 71 GTO 455 HO automatic. In the far lane, Dave Noggle, 69 Torino Talladega 428 CJ automatic. Jensen gets the win, 13.99, 98.03 to 15.10, 93.46. In the near lane, Johnny Catalis in a 73 Trans Am 455 Super Duty automatic. In the far lane, Ed Myers, 68 Shelby 428 CJ automatic. Catalis wins 14.33, 98.03 to an identical but losing 14.33, 96.05. In the near lane, Dan Jensen, 71 GTO 455 automatic. In the far lane, Gary Lamb, 71 Corvette LS5 454 automatic. Lamb wins 13.51, 102.38 to 13.97, 98.57. In the near lane, Denny Jensen, 70 Judge Ram Air 4 400 automatic. In the far lane, Laverne Eberst, 67 GTX 426 HEMI automatic. Eberst wins 14.22, 98.03 to 14.46, 98.25.